Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Janice Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. At the Scotiabank Women Initiative on Tuesday, Claire Bernard, Deputy Director General for Sustainable Development and Social Planning at the Planning Institute of Jamaica, showcased data showing that despite more women matriculating at the tertiary level, men are still being paid more. For every dollar that the average man earns, the average Jamaican woman earns 62 cents. She said that there is also disparities between male and female entrepreneurs. We did a survey in the PBCJ 2 years ago. It said that 80% of the female entrepreneurs surveyed said they had problems getting credit, and 43% had no collateral. So again, we have a major issue, said the PBCJ Deputy Director General. Infinity Cooperative Credit Union Jamaica Limited became the newest member of the local credit union community on February 1, 2025, with the merger of Educom Cooperative Credit Union Limited and Gateway Cooperative Credit Union Limited. The organization will be led by Chief Executive Officer Camille Campbell Drummond, who acted in that capacity at Educom Credit Union since February 2024. She previously served as the Chief Operating Officer before ascending to the position of Acting CEO. Infinity Cooperative Credit Union now has a combined asset base of approximately $31.3 billion and a membership of over 178,000 persons, with a staff complement of approximately 300 team members and 13 island-wide branches. For the second day, the central bank stepped in to slow the slide of the local currency. On Thursday, the Bank of Jamaica, for a second day, intervened in the foreign exchange market with the sale of US $30 million through the BFXITT platform. On Wednesday, the central bank also offered US $30 million on bid through its platform. With the total bids from foreign exchange and authorized dealers amounting to US $66.7 million, the central bank received 39 eligible bids, but only fulfilled 19, or 77.5%. The highest bid price was for $157.54, and the lowest was to buy the US dollar for $157.45. However, the bank's settlement price on the US dollar was $157.43. For the trading period ending February 6, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Office Supplier Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, with 7,453,123 units traded, representing 34.55% of the total market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, with 3,413,552 units traded, representing 15.82% of market sales volume. Beverage manufacturer Jamaican Teas Limited, with 3,032,490 units traded, representing 14.06% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 6, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $73.61 million purchased and US $83.40 million sold to Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.03 in profit per dollar sold, selling the US at $158.13 and buying the US at $157.10. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.18 per transaction, with selling at $111.50 and buying at $110.32. The British pound yielded Forex traders $9.73 in profits, with selling at $200.68 and buying at $190.95. If you're serious about home ownership and financial freedom, the goal will be to secure a higher credit score for lower interest payments, better loan terms, and more financial flexibility. Here are some options. Stay consistent for 6 to 12 months. Credit improvement takes time, but these steps will help you reach your goal. Also, settle collection accounts. So what should you do? Contact collection agencies to negotiate a settlement or pay for a delete agreement. In this action step, you're going to resolve these accounts within the first month to prevent further damage. From nothing to financial resilience, when you hit age 45 or beyond, you're looking at your finances and wondering, is this enough? The truth is, many professional women reach this stage and realize they need more than just a paycheck. They need financial resilience. The key is to create income that works for you, whether it's active, passive, investment, or reoccurring income. What you need is strategy, action, and the right financial mindset. So whether it's work, which is active income, investments, which is passive income, investment income from your assets, or subscriptions or royalties, which is reoccurring income, the goal is to create financial resilience that lasts. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.